Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Thursday, July 2nd, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit today for you guys. Just a reminder, I am off this weekend. I won't be doing videos tomorrow. I may do mini readings, but I'll let you guys know. I'll be traveling and going to see family, and, you know, want to be able to enjoy that. So, hope everybody has a great holiday. Those of you who are celebrating Independence Day in the United States. It's going to be an interesting one. All right. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So, I mean, this is interesting because I know someone that I know contacted me last night stating that they were feeling very emotional. So this is a very emotional time right now. Obviously, we do have an eclipse. Another one. I think we have 3 this year, something like that. So I do feel a lot of people's emotions are just out of whack, you know, for a lack of better terms. Really, I mean, it's like up and down, up and down, up and down. It's been such a roller coaster for a lot of people. It's like we're frustrated, we're scared, we're confused, we're angry, we're, resistant. It's just everything kind of culminating here. And the reason a lot of us are sad is because it's like we feel like we're missing something. And I don't know specifically what this feeling is for any of you necessarily, but I would take stock in what you have and be very grateful for what you have and stop dwelling on the things that you don't. I feel like a lot of people are so angry that I honestly feel like it's mostly people are just afraid that they're losing grip on their life. Like there's just so much chaos going on right now that we're not even sure what the future is going to hold. And I think that's bringing in a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety. And for some of us, it's bringing in temptation to vice, coping mechanisms, to escapism, okay? But also, it's really interesting because I heard something yesterday on the radio. It was a pastor. He was talking about the 144,000. And talking about the end times, chapter 20, Revelations chapter 20. It's 2020, isn't it? And with everything that's going on right now, I mean, look, I'm not a religious person, I'm really not, but the Bible is a very, very interesting document. If you actually read it and you take it, as a historical document, as a metaphorical historical document, as opposed to a religious one. I mean, Zecharia Sitchin, I highly recommend looking him up if you don't know who he is, okay? He actually went through the entire Bible and the book of Revelations and went through it piece by piece by piece through the Sumerian texts and did it as like a historical document. And if you look at all of the subtexts and everything that's going on right now and look at the book of Revelations, I mean, it's uncanny. It's right there. It's right there in front of your face what's happening right now. Okay? So the question is, where do you fit in? Okay? I know where I fit in. Okay? So, I mean, you have to take stock of that. But I definitely feel a lot of us right now, a lot of emotion coming up. A lot of emotion that needs to be cleared. A lot of emotion that needs to be dealt with. Mainly having to do with resentment and fear. Okay? And guilt. All right? So, yeah, I mean, we feel like we're not in our power, right? We're giving away our power. Why are we giving away our power? Why are we giving away our power? That's better now. You can see it, the Empress. Okay. Why are we giving away our power? Why are we losing our power to our emotions? Are we losing our power to someone else? What is it? What is it? What is it that we need to release? What burdens do we need to release in order to get the wheel moving again? Some of us are holding ourselves back from completing a karmic cycle because of fear. I'm telling you. And a lot of it is fear of emotion. You're absolutely terrified of what this is going to dig up, what you're going to have to deal with, what you're going to have to clear. Okay? And so it's like it's keeping us from getting out of that self-made, literally a self-made prison. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. Okay? You are not stuck. All right? But you think you are. And therefore, your reality is that you are stuck. right? Hold your vision. Be true to yourself. Be true to the journey. Look, I know there's been a lot of confusion, especially this year, but you have got to remember the bigger picture. You are being tested. You are being trained. You are being pulled into ascension for a reason. There is a reason why you are awakened right now, okay? So just know you're very close to figuring that out, okay? Energy is gaining momentum. It absolutely is. Change is coming. And I know I stated this before. A lot of us are going to be persecuted, okay? A lot of us are going to be persecuted. Those of us who are awakened, those of us who are light workers, those of us who are out there speaking the truth are going to be persecuted. And you know what? I'm ready for that. I've been persecuted most of my life. It's my lot. I'm good with it. If I'm persecuted, I know I'm doing something right. Okay? All right, guys, but just prepare yourself. All right? Keep yourself in a high vibration as much as you can. All right? Everything's going to be fine. Okay? Light always prevails. Okay? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.